We are going to review circumference and area of circles. We have already done this in chapter 8, and you've already done this in middle school. So this is just like one final review on circumference and area. And this you should feel so comfortable with. You know that pi is an irrational number, and it's too hard to write all those numbers out. So if we want to represent pi exactly, we use the pi symbol. And if we want to represent it approximately, we chop that decimal to 3.14. We never use both at the same time. So you either are choosing pi symbol for exact or 3.14 for approximate. You remember that circumference is the distance around the circle. So here you see the center of the circle there, and then this is representing the circumference. We know the radius goes from the center to the edge, and then the diameter goes all the way across the circle through the center. Do you remember the formula for circumference? You are right, pi times diameter. Pi times diameter is the formula for circumference. So in this circle here, what's the diameter? Right, radius is 7, so diameter is 14. If I want to do the exact circumference, pi times diameter would be represented as 14 pi plain units, centimeters. And if I want to do approximate circumference, I'm going to type on my calculator 3.14 times 14 is 43.96 centimeters. In number 2, what would the diameter be? Right, 20 feet. So exact circumference is pi times d, which is pi times 20, or 20 pi feet. And then approximate, 3.14 times 20, which is 62.8 feet. Circumference is like perimeter, plane units, 62.8. So that's a quick review of circumference. Area is not going around the circle, but area is going inside the circle. So pi, the formula for area of the circle is pi times radius times radius. Pi times radius times radius. I'll bring it to you in a second, okay? I put it away and I'll get it for you in a second. Pi times radius times radius. So my radius here is 7. Exact area, pi times 7, or 49 pi centimeters squared. Approximate, 3.14 times 7. Or I could also say 49 times 3.14, right? That's the same thing, 153.86. 153.86 centimeters squared. In number 4, the radius is 8, right? Because 16 is the diameter. So exact would be pi times 8, or 64 pi inches squared. And then 3.14 times 8, or 64 times 3.14, 200.96. That should have felt very easy to you. We have done this a lot. We just did one more quick review, circumference and area.